the spot. Putting off a Brooklyn just might do the dope rock. I'm good.
Nah, that's good. That's powerful right there. But we're gonna bring that back one more time. Now I'm saying you can flow with it while it's going.
Yeah, while I go.
Get on the mic. Ready? We're gonna bring it back.
We're gonna bring this thing back.
That's heat. Okay. We're bringing it back. Youngtrell. Yeah. Okay, my man DB Shark just pulled up. Yeah.
I'm hot, hot, hot. I'm hot, so hot, so hot. I'm hot, 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 hot. I'm hot, so hot, so hot. I'm hot, dropping lower fans, always turning up the spot. Putting off a Brooklyn just might do the dope rock. I'm good in any hood, my face is known on any block. So shout out to my pop. That's how we do what I like, now I do what I like. Happy if I'm stuck making music for life. Never leave the crib for the studio, that's right. Girls tripping over me at school causing fights. Teachers hating on me the most, yes. They rap stay kicking halitosis. But it's my job, I'm focused. I'm on fire burning up like a furnace. Yeah, I'm hot, hot, hot. See, I do what I like, now I do what I like. I'm hot, so hot, so hot. Yeah, yeah, I'm hot, 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 hot. I'm hot, so hot, so hot. I'm so good at this, yeah, I don't think I miss, yeah. Shooting like I'm clipping, diamonds on me glistening. Watch me hit my whip, yeah, spit it, you gon' listen. Decked out big drip, yeah, decked out big drip. If I hop on the track, might cost a small fee. All of this ice might get one more piece. I am a champ, they all nominees. I make it hot 100 degrees. I'm hot, so hot, so
Yeah.
hot.
Youngtrell.
I'm hot, so hot, so hot. I'm hot, hot, hot. Shooting like I'm flipping, diamonds on me glistening. I'm hot, so hot. If I hop on the track, might cost a small fee. I'm hot, 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 hot. Check out the drip, yeah, check out the drip. I'm hot, so hot, so hot. Just like a comet from the sky. I'm coming high, I'm coming high.
Okay. Youngtrell in the building. Yeah. What's good?
Yeah.
What's cracking?
Welcome to the Beat 139, I'm Doc.
Don Vito, how y'all feeling? How y'all doing? We got the youngest in charge right here, my man Youngtrell. Youngtrell, that was a hot song right there, man.
Yo, thank you very much.
Youngtrell said, I'm hot, hot. You let him know you hot, Youngtrell.
Yeah.
Off the rip.
But before we get into that song, we open up with it, but we're gonna start from the beginning. You know, we're gonna start where you from and how you come up with the name Youngtrell.
Okay. So, I'm from, the saying that we made, me and my team made, first name Harlem, last name Brooklyn. So, I'm from Brooklyn. So, I'm from Brooklyn, but I've always felt like I had that Harlem energy, you know? Always felt like I had that Harlem energy. So, first name Harlem, last name Brooklyn. But I'm from Brooklyn, though.
Right.
So that's mainly it. I was in Brooklyn, right? Chilling, right? And then making some beats. I used to make beats. I still make beats. They're fire. So I was making beats, right? And then my dad's like, yo, I'm smart enough in this game to know that I'm not just gonna release your songs and let people just take them off the internet if they go viral. So he created an identity for me. And we went online, did our research, then we saw that the name Youngtrell wasn't signed to a label, the name Youngtrell. So then we took it, we flipped it, and then we promoted our brand out there. We promoted ourselves with the first single that me and my pops made, titled Not. So we made that song, we promoted it, and that's how we put this name Youngtrell into making.
So Not was your first song. How long ago was that?
I'll say 5 years ago.
Yeah, 'cause I heard you perform at my block party on my block on 139th Street. That's the first time I saw you, because I know your pops. So that's when you first started around that time then? That was like 5, 6 years ago, I believe.
I'll say.
So you started, so you was like 5, 6 years old?
Yeah.
Wow. You're a veteran in this game.
Definitely got 5 years in the game. You could tell he icy too. He get heavy on, you know what I'm saying?
I'm saying he heavy in the top.
Yeah. Young Cho got it on. I see you, man. So I like your haircut too, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Shout
you
out
fresh.
to Flawless the Barber. Gotta check him out.
Oh yeah? My man James, huh? Oh yeah? Flawless? Yeah, man,
That's in
Flawless.
Harlem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, me and James, we grew up together.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my barber too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Small world.
Wow, okay. So, you got this song. Is this the song that you and your dad gonna release as your #1 single?
I'm Hot. We're actually planning on releasing 4 singles, which is I'm Hot, Mr. Softy, Bang, and She, which is some songs that we haven't released to the public yet. Mr. Softy and I'm Hot, people have heard, but we have some new songs coming up. But I'm Hot, we didn't get to promote it. We released it January 1st. We didn't get to promote it because of this pandemic, this crazy epidemic and stuff. So it was like, it just came out of the blue and we just had to shut everything down but still make music on the low.
Right.
So I want to take it back from the beginning. So you said you started making beats because you was getting into that.
Yeah.
And then your dad said you could become a rapper. So how that transition?
Well, I don't know. I was like 5, right? Or 4. Like, it started like a long time ago, but like, I was making beats, right? And then I would mumble to myself. I'll be like, and I'll just like play with myself. Like, sometimes I'll fast rap, like I'll just play around. And then my dad will always hear me, and then he realized that I had potential in being a rapper and not just a beat maker. So that's why we took on that career as much more of a promotion. So then on the low, when I get a client or something, I can like produce a beat for them. So then it can be like 2 jobs.
Yeah. So you get more satisfaction doing beats or rapping?
I don't know. I'll get more satisfaction doing, I'll say rapping because of what comes out of rapping than beats, because I know how beats work. Like, I know how beats work, but I also know how rapping is. And rapping is not easy, but it's a strong task that can make you learn a lot in this industry.
So all your songs, you did those beats?
Oh, no. My dad made those beats. He's a producer. Shout out to Dante909. He's a producer. So he made those beats. I made a song and I'm working on that now, so.
Oh, okay. So y'all keeping the family.
What's so you got a studio? You got the studio in home, or you got a studio you go to, something like that, to make the beats?
Like I said in my song, never leave the crib for the stew. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Gotta write, writing. Started writing like, I'll say like last year, cause I don't know how. It just came to, I just wrote my first song and it just came to me. And then ever since that, I've been writing and writing and writing. So.
So you had any other passion outside of music, like sports?
Well, I look into basketball, but I'm not willing on taking that as a second career because of, I don't know, I'm just not like that open for taking sports as a career. But I'll look into sports.
So who's your because I'm looking at you, you fresh, you know. Who's your stylist? Who makes your clothes and stuff?
Oh, my dad.
Okay, your dad, huh? All in-house.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Also, I get it. The Brooklyn, Harlem. Your dad is from Harlem, and okay. So that's why you got the Harlem.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So now, ask you a question. What is your knowledge of the game, the rap game? Are you real knowledgeable of the history? Do you eat, sleep music? Like how much of your love you have for the music?
Music, I don't eat, sleep, like, I don't do everything music. There's 24 hours in a day. I'll take like at least 16 and put that towards music. So, well, yeah.
So you love it. You love it. So what artists you listen? What artists you listen to?
I listen to J. Cole, Chance the Rapper, and Eminem. I listen to a lot of different artists. I like to put my mind like into retro pop just in case I have to make a song like that one day, and I'm working on it too. So I gotta open my mind up to more than just hip hop.
So you're a student of the game.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any artist you would love to work with? If you had a dream artist to work with, who would you love to work with?
It's a hard choice, but I don't really know. I'll work with most likely anybody that I would see going somewhere. And I'm a kid, so if I see somebody going somewhere, I'll feel like that's gonna actually work. Cause if it's Eminem, right? Eminem comes up to me and says, "Do you want to do a song?"
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
Keep talking.
If Eminem comes up to me and says, "Do you want to do a song?" I'll definitely say yes.
Okay. So you performed before. Who did you open up for?
I opened up for Eric B Rakim.
Mm-hmm.
Opened up for the Universal Circus, all the acts there.
Mm-hmm.
Opened up for a bunch of celebrities, A Boogie.
Mm-hmm.
Can't
Yeah.
even
Your
name
resume is great for your age too. But let me ask you a question. So, what grade are you in school?
I'm in 5th grade going to 6th.
So when you go to school, do the kids be coming up to you and stuff like that?
I don't know, I have a different type of relationship with my friends. They will tease me, but on the low, they'll be like, "Yo, that's so cool, that's so cool."
Mm-hmm.
Just like I just take in the love.
Right. They don't really understand it like that, you know?
Yeah.
But when they see you, your name, different play magazines and see you like on television or videos, they be like, "Wow, that's Trell right there, you know? He's in my class and stuff like that. He goes to my school, you know?" But right now they don't get it because they're a little younger, you know? But so the next single that you got coming out, what's the name of the next single?
The next new single we got coming out is titled "Bang and She."
Mm-hmm.
So she is mainly for all the girls out there. It's for the girls, for the ladies, and it's specifically for them because of all the times they'll be in my DMs asking me to be their boyfriend.
Oh, wow. They be on you like that?
Yeah.
You're Dyson. Yeah, what you think?
So you perform in the school anytime? You ever performed at school?
I perform at the talent shows every year, so that's mainly. I would do that like every year. Like
You love performing?
performing is actually my top energetic way of getting like my energy out because I'll get to jump around, dance. It's like a fun exercise. It's fun.
That's great.
So who taught you how to dance?
I'll learn from the videos online, but then I'll watch my dad and then he'll teach me like some moves.
Oh yeah, your dad got moved. Yeah, your dad was
So your dad has played a major part
dude.
in your career.
Yeah.
With the beats, the style.
Yeah.
That's good. I love when the kid, they love what their pops is doing and so forth.
Now this pops that's his life. That's his offspring. So he put his all into you, which is a good thing. And your dad was a talented guy also, So it just came right to you.
It's in the blood.
In the blood. Now you're gonna take it to another level.
So you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters. I have 2 sisters. One is in the fashion game, and the other is still trying to find her path. She's going to college, so
Oh yeah, 2 older sisters.
yeah.
Oh, okay, that's great. So how they supportive in your career?
Yeah, they support me in by like showing up to my shows, I'll say.
Mm-hmm.
But like I'll say my dad definitely takes like most of that by hands.
Mm-hmm.
So the song on TikTok, how you feel when it went viral and everyone doing your song through the dance through your song? How you felt about that when you saw it?
I feel proud because it started off like we were just like I was just telling my friends, hey, can you go make a video to my song? And then they're like, oh, here you go, like with sass and everything. But now they're just like, oh, I gotta do this. Like it just came like I feel proud.
So can you demonstrate the dance they was doing?
I don't know. They were doing a bunch of TikTok dances, so it wasn't a specific dance.
Oh, okay. I saw some dances. I'm like, wow, it's big. TikTok can really take your song to the next level. That TikTok is like a whole new way.
Yeah, it's a new thing. TikTok and TikTok is like everything else is worldwide, but TikTok is really like buzzing like crazy. You know, a lot of the younger generations really feed into that heavy right now. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's play another song, Doc. What else you got? Play another song.
I got you.
Yeah. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. I want to hear some Youngtrell music.
Tell them about your album and about your new single and everything.
Yeah.
So this is the song that I'm releasing next from my album, my EP. So
What's your EP called?
it's titled my EP's titled Popular, and this song's titled Bang.
Bang. Okay.
Okay. Let's do it.
Youngtrell.
It's on the side. Turn it up. Yeah, it's on. Turn it up on the side. Hey, Doc, turn it down. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
Bang. Y'all know what it is. On support, y'all know what we do.
Mm-hmm.
Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that like button.
Here we go.
Bang.
Everybody tryna fit the part. Look at my wrist, it's glisten hard. Ice on my chain, ice on my name. Everybody tryna be like me in the game, but I'm already so insane. Anybody want some proof? Pull up when I'm in the booth. I'm already Hurricane Sandy, I'm nasty. Call me Mr. O-Class. Might catch me rapping to a fast beat. Everybody always wanna ask me about my fashion life. Like,
Give it to
why do you wear your glasses? Or why do you care about fashion? Call me Rapper Dead, man, cause I am the man, yeah, with the master plan. You don't understand, I should be down with Wu-Tang, cause I'm the whole clan. When I hit the studios, bang, 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 bang. Call me Rapper Dead, man, cause I am the man, yeah, with the master plan. You don't understand, I should be down with Wu-Tang, cause I'm the whole clan. When I hit the studios, bang, 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 bang. I was on News 12, it's a fact. Look at my impact on Facebook, on Instagram, Snapchat. It's blown up, yeah, it's a rap. I am a cobra attacking this beat. Look at my venom, it's going to be deep. Into this game, into this plate, Bon Appetit, just for me, yeah. When I walk in the spot, yeah, I shine cause I'm hot. Switching the flows on you, like how I be switching my watch. And you would never see me fall. You would never see me lacking. Live it all, and all you do is see it happen. Rapper Dead, man, cause I am the man, yeah, with the master plan. You don't understand, I should be down with Wu-Tang, cause I'm the whole clan. When I hit the studios, bang, 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 bang. Call me Rapper Dead, man, cause I am the man, yeah, with the master plan. You don't understand, I should be down with Wu-Tang, cause I'm the whole clan. When I hit the studios, bang, 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 bang.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, Youngtrell again. Youngtrell.
That's That song's
Yeah,
hard.
Youngtrell, let me tell you something. They call you Dapper Dan, huh?
Yeah.
Dapper Dan got to hear this song.
Yeah, Dapper Dan got the.
Yeah, he definitely he gonna love it too. I bet you. He gonna be like, wow, this kid is something else,
Yeah,
man.
something else. So the studio, how often you be in the studio?
I was in there today, actually. I'm actually in there like every day. I have to stop by.
I love your hungerness. You really seem like you love what you do, and I can tell your stage presence is crazy. The way you got up and you did your 1-2.
Yeah, thank you. I learned it from the best.
And that's from the best. That's right. So, do you have any like dancers with you when you performing? You have anyone on stage with you?
I don't have anybody dancing with me permanently, but I'll say I did a couple of shows with a group called Miss K's Academy. So I'll have like dancers like for I'm Hot, Brooklyn Bombshells, BBG. That's the girls that were in my video. So I'll have them perform sometimes if I'm performing I'm Hot, but it's not like permanently like all the time.
So how do you like situate the time between you doing your music and your school lessons? Because everything is online now, right?
Almost definitely. I'll wake up, do everything I gotta do all my homework, and then I'll go to the studio.
There you go.
Gotta put everything on one slot and the other.
Are you interested like playing video games and stuff like that?
I play video games, yeah. There's a specific one titled Fortnite, which most likely every boy plays.
Yeah, Fortnite.
Yeah. So you got to balance. You play videos, you do your music full time, and you get your lessons first and foremost. That's good. That's a good little career you got there, man. Good little lifestyle you got, man. I'm a little jealous, man. You know. Yeah. So your dad made your clothes.
Yeah. Me and my team.
Okay. All right. That's kind of hot, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like
So
it.
did you do any shows on the road?
You mean by on the road like traveling?
Yeah, traveling other states.
We were supposed to do one in Atlanta, but it got postponed because of the coronavirus.
Yeah.
And then I'll say we'll go to New Jersey, do shows, but that's like mainly it. We're gonna go out and travel.
I can see you in Disney, the Nickelodeon. I can see you doing that.
Yeah.
That's something you're looking forward to doing.
Actually, we have a connection with them now, but we just gotta settle everything out and then.
Cause I think that'd be dope. Have you on Nickelodeon. 'Cause my son, he big. He love Nickelodeon. And to have like a young rapper representing the youth, that's big. That is big. So, look.
See, it's another thing too. That, you think about the music industry right now. You got no little kids like him right now.
Yeah.
He like in the lane by himself. He could just take over for real, man. He's so worried about a lot of female rappers coming out and the guys trying to stay relevant. And we got this little kid who come through. There's no other remember back in the day you had a lot of little kid groups, right? You don't have no Youngtrells, Harlem, Brooklyn, coming out like that. So just keep pushing, man. You, like Doc said, Nickelodeon, everything. The sky's the limit for you, man.
Yeah.
The sky's definitely the limit for you.
And I can tell you love performing. I can tell. I definitely need to see some of your shows. I saw one when you was young. You tore it up then. And you seem like you light up when the stage is bright.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. That's why I had him stand up, because I knew he wanted to move. I said, like, him stand up and give it to him, So I see you can dance and all that, too. You rather dance by yourself, or you rather have, like, people behind you dancing with you?
I'm a solo artist, so I'll dance by myself. But if like I said, I'm hot, I'll sometimes probably bring out the dancers and they'll dance behind me.
Mm-hmm. So how many people you got hitting you on your DM on a regular?
I don't even know. I don't even know. Some
Do you
girls
respond? Do you respond, or you just look at it?
I'll just look at it and I'll just be like, why? Just why? Facts, like, where are your parents? Like,
Yeah.
some even made a page, like, just about me, Youngtrell's futuristic girlfriend. I'm like,
Oh wow.
Wow. Already, huh? Ooh.
So you got strong social media presence. That's good, man. I'm real proud of you.
Yeah.
You know,
Thank
you
you.
represent Harlem too, so you know how we do.
Yeah. But listen, before we go, can we play one more song? Let's play one more song, man.
yeah.
You know, I want to hear some music today, man. You know,
You know how to freestyle?
I can spit something.
Yeah, that's what I want to hear you spit.
it's not too often we get a little kid come
Yeah,
through with this
come
talent.
through.
We can't just let him go like that. He got to give it up.
Okay, J. Cole and then do the Mississippi.
If I was J. Cole, if I was Jay-Z, screw it, I'm all of them. You can call me Black Thought, cause it's in my roots. Now let's bang bang out a boogie to this song. So put your quest in, love. Here I come, on the run. I gotta get this dough before lunchtime, cause I don't wanna get caught by the lunch bell. But somebody gotta do it, so I'm putting New York in my backpack.
Okay.
There it is. Okay. Youngtrell freestyle. We give it all today. We're going to set it off. Everything.
Mr. Softy.
There it is.
Can you explain to me what's Mr. Softy about?
Mr. Softy is about Mr. Softy is about me sleeping like at 10 o'clock, right? And it'll be like 2 feet of snow outside and it's mad cold. And then I'll be sleeping right outside my window. I'm like,
Oh, okay.
like how are you selling ice cream in such of a cold weather like this? Like,
Oh,
That's
man,
funny.
it's
Here we go. Youngtrell, one more time.
Mr. Softy.
History in the making.
all you gotta do is just pick a flavor. And while you're running up the block, call your neighbors. Now if you see the ice cream man, please hold him up. I'm getting sick and tired of chasing his truck. Now driver, you can feel some type of way, or give us free ice cream all day. Man, you've been on my block for 3 months. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Hey, hey, Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Hey, hey, Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Hey, hey, Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Hey, hey, Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream. Hey, 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 Mr. Softy. Give me a banana boat with this smoothie. Man, you got me chasing your truck like 6 blocks. All you had to do was pull over and just stop. Give me a sundae with the twizzler, with cream with the blizzard. Add some M&Ms, that could be my side dessert. Wait, I'm not finished, you can sprinkle it out. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Hey, hey, Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Hey, hey, Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Hey, hey, Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. You're the only one that sells ice cream. I can see you watching me from the mirror. You think I didn't see when you ran the light? What's so funny? I got money. All I wanna do is buy some ice cream. You got me outside in the street running, man. I seen you slow down 3 blocks ago. By the time I walk back, all my ice cream's gonna melt. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Hey, hey, Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Hey, hey, Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream in the winter. Hey, hey, Mr. Softy. You're the only one that sells ice cream.
Wow. that's my song right there.
That's my song.
I thought the other moment, this is the
my
joint
song.
right here.
That's the song I think will take you to the next level.
Yeah, that's hot.
That I like the beat with the, because when you said Mr. Softy and you're like doo-doo-doo, I thought it was gonna have that like the doo-doo-doo, but it had the same similar melody with the ding ding ding. That was like perfect as far as the production wise.
And not only that though,
it worked out production with the ding ding, like you know how
this song here, I can see this in movies. I can see this in a commercial. You understand? I can see it on all little kid shows.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying though? It's like this song can go major right here.
Yeah.
Not just a regular video. This song could be used. This song could be sold.
So this song, y'all didn't release that yet, right?
No, we didn't release it. We have videos of me performing it on YouTube.
Wow.
But we didn't release it yet because we still have to make the video and everything. So.
Oh, you just performed it on YouTube. You didn't do the actual video.
Yeah.
So your first single, what order this coming in? This song here,
What do you mean?
as far as you putting it out, because it's not your first single you're putting out.
Well, actually, this is 3.
It's gonna be your third single you're gonna release.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a strong song.
That's
Man.
hot. And that's a summer song
It's
too.
a summer song.
Yeah,
It's
summertime.
a summer song. Got the
Because Mr. Softy rides around in the summer more than he rides around anytime.
Imagine this playing in the ice cream trucks.
Yeah, that's serious
Yeah.
right there, man.
Yeah.
That's hot. That's what I'm saying. Is you can really market this song in a lot of ways.
Yeah, I think to me, like he said, I agree. All your songs I like, but that song really hit.
Yeah, that's the one right there. That track is crazy
Yeah, I
too.
like the track.
And the way you wrote it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. That's
All
nice.
you had to do is just stop.
Yeah.
I've been chasing 6 blocks. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So you had the people who heard that song? Like how many people hear about? And what's the reaction that song has had?
Yeah, I can't count that.
No, not saying like, you know, what's the reaction to that song?
The reaction,
Every time someone heard that song, what type of reaction it gave?
the same as you. Like
Oh,
they'll
okay.
be like, it's catchy and has a nice melody.
Yeah.
Oh, you flipped the Mr. Softy theme song. Yo, that's fire.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Same like.
Yeah.
That's hot right there.
That's how I like it.
That right there, the mother song, all your songs are hot.
Yeah, but
Personal.
that one there.
But
I
that
think
song
it
right there
came-
has marketability.
Yeah.
You know, you understand where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
That song can go everywhere.
And
It can
Mr.
touch
Softy they
all.
cut a check. Get that check from Mr. Softy.
You never know.
They cut that check.
But I tell you one thing though, that song can touch all races.
Yeah.
You understand where I'm coming from?
Cause Mr. Softy been around so long, everyone knows Mr. Softy.
Mm-hmm.
So you gotta get that check from him.
If you get the video to go right with the song,
Yeah.
the video will bring the visual, will
Truck,
bring everything
yeah.
out. Yeah, with the
It's
truck
getting
and all
warm.
that shit.
Yeah, out there.
Yeah, and some colorful, stuff and stuff
Yeah,
like
it's a lot
that.
of-
Rocking your fresh outfits and all that. Your cool shades and your cool haircut.
Yeah.
Shout out to Flawless to Bob. I gotta come see you. I'm looking kind of rough under this hat though, you know. And so, what's your social media links for your fans and stuff, and people want to follow you?
You can follow me on all social medias at Youngtrell Music. Youngtrell Music, YOUNGTRELL Music again, YOUNGTRELL Music, and my website is youngtrell.com.
Can you tell them what show you on?
I'm on the beat 139.
That's right.
Make sure you put that in your radio station.
Make sure y'all subscribe and hit that like button. We're gonna make Youngtrell go viral.
Exactly. Shout out to
Subscribe and hit
Youngtrell.
that like button.
Yes, sir. Here it is. We
It
good.
is. That was good.